Good morning. Steve here with a video showing the restoration of your Autopilot to normal function. The Autopilot was damaged through the accidental connection of DC power to the motor connection points. If you'll note, the middle of these 5 transistors is much darker than the rest. It took the brunt of the hit. The best practice is to change out all power transistors even if only one of them is measurably bad. You want them all to be of the same parameter, and the ones that I've put in are vastly superior specification-wise to the ones that you see here before you, the old ones. I have connected to the Autopilot a special test set that I developed. It's basically 2 motors that are mechanically engaged. You can see the gears meshed together in the middle. The Autopilot is connected to the one on the left and drives it back and forth. It in turn turns the second motor, which when turned makes the motor function as a generator. The generator produces electricity, and that electricity is consumed by the dark resistor that you see down at the bottom. It's a 1 ohm 100 watt resistor. By consuming the energy that the second motor makes serving as a generator, it provides loading to the first motor. And when that motor is loaded down, that stresses the transistors that I've just put in. I don't have this thing set up as a fully functional Autopilot. I'm just going to run the unit in the power steering mode so that you can see that the Autopilot does indeed drive the drive circuitry. I'm going to do that by pressing the plus and minus 10 key, and you will see the motor turn in one direction. Now I go to the other button, and the motor turns in the opposite direction. This loads the output circuitry to the tune of about 8 amps, which is more than it's likely going to see in real-world conditions. At any rate, as you can see, the unit has been restored to normal operation. I'll return it to you, and you should have it back early next week. Thank you for your business.